It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. Yeah. Let's go. I love my little speakers in the back, man. That's probably my best set piece. Like, I love the defenders and whatnot. I call these dudes I call these dudes the defenders. Well, I kill Croc bitch ass. Like, he wasn't really part of the whole crew, yo. Hold on, it still was at 30 seconds. He wasn't really part of the whole crew. My brother bought him, so I guess he's like a defender in training. So I really don't think he can hold no torch to these four. But he here. All right, let's get this next shuffle in, though. It's Wednesday Patreon donation situation. We got the peoples in the house. We got most of the peoples in the house got swords and whatnot. I think only like Freaking. But Freaking gonna be up in the Patreon soon, man. I feel it. He gonna be down with the Patreon team in no time. Yeah, man. Yeah. We gotta talk about that farming life, bro. That's crazy. But let's get this most popular shuffle in. I be watching Gold Shaw Farms. Gucci man. All right, this is something I would have never watched my own. I bet you Tim added this. It's either Tim or Rushwolf. Or Wes knew. Or Wes. Wes might add this. But I feel like y'all be trying to hit me off with some like, oh, this is new. You know, this is new mainstream stuff, but you'll like it. And I'll be like, it's mid. But this is Gucci Mane, Blood All On It, featuring Key, Glock, and Young Dolph. Come on, man. I don't know, man. Alright. I don't fuck with ignorance. And he's like personification of ignorance. Or he used to be. What's on his teeth? Oh, he got diamonds on his teeth. He dead. RP Young Dolph, man. You not be disrespectful on the video about it. I'm not a big materialism person. Like, I've never understood the adornment of yourself in metals and jewels. Like, why are you putting metal and jewels on you? Like, that's some real... I never understood. I never understood piercings, tattoos. Like, why are you putting that on you? Like, you got skin. You ain't supposed to be putting that on your skin and make it irritated. Like, you put lotion on your skin. You put no, yeah. I guess I'm a little bit of a Riri because it really does not compute. Like, only time I would ever wear like jewelry is probably if I ever get married because you got to. That's the rules and whatnot. I would never wear no chain, I wear a watch. It's so time. But besides that, like, Then see me a couple years and be all floor styled and shit. Like, it's hypocrite. Like, money change everything. Money change everything.
Yeah, the money got blood out on it. Bad bitches with me on it. Nigga wanna beat me down it. But the money got blood out on it. Yeah, the money got blood out on it.
I hate this
my young
right
niggas
now.
ready to shoot. Cause they ain't got nothing to lose. He says fuck everybody and fuck everything. He got something to prove. In the trenches pulling moves. 100 racks and blues. In a shoebox. Hell nah, them ain't no motherfucking shoes.
Hey, what you do, nigga?
Took the motor out of vet, put it in a Chevelle.
Switch it up.
Do my dirt all by myself, cause these niggas gon' tell. She look like God sent her from heaven, but she fine as hell.
Bad.
I'm sending strong to 5 states, man, I just broke my scale. Look, cuz just called a murder charge and I just post his bail. Doing donuts in the Rari, I'm a major player. Send bags to the hood and to the ops, I sent some shells. Never talk on the phone and never leave a paper trail. Super bad bitch with a body like Buffy. Went to see my jeweler, spent $1 million like it's nothing. I got on too much ice, she caught the flu when she fucked me. Plain Jane Richard Mill, I told my jeweler.
This is like the antithesis of me. This is the antithesis of me.
The money got blood all on it, yeah. The money got blood all on it. Bad
And there's motherfuckers that watch this shit and get hypnotized. Like, they'll do whatever to look like this. I can't wait to get some real regional as well.
In the trenches pulling moves.
Be flashy, I guess. Man, I'm from New York. It's like regional, like, flash up here.
Just might put a dub on homie. New phantom with the 4 edges on it. And the paint got blood all on it. These niggas ain't eating, they starving. I can see cause they crew getting bony. These suckers do nothing but cloud chase. These boys just some one-trick ponies. Man, this rap game so damn phony. These niggas a bunch of jabronis. Everything you got, they want it. That's why I'm stiff, I'm stony. Just told my hitter he own it. Nigga better break
probably gonna get blocked anyway.
I got my back like Tony. These niggas wanna clone me, don't it? I went from riding up these trucks,
well, didn't they say you already a clone? I heard Gucci Mane. It's not the real Gucci Mane. That Gucci Mane went to jail and they killed him and they cloned his ass and they let this guy come out. This is the new Gucci Mane that they cloned in jail. That's why I heard. Nah, I added up mad stuff. I heard, but I did hear that he was a clone. And it's not something I believe. I don't believe it. Like, how you just get a big ass clone? Like, those clones gotta be like germinated and grow up. Like, how you just get a big black ass clone? Yeah, I don't think they did that.
Just told my hitter he own it.
Black ass lips. Like, no, put it back in. The lips ain't black enough, man.
These niggas wanna clone me, don't it? I went from riding up V12, switched it up, and now my motor electric. I stacked away more millions than haters expected. You gotta shoot for your respect. That's how you send a message. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Once you kill one person, ain't nothing to do another one.
Yeah, the bitches know how I'm coming.
Second one is the easiest time.
Yeah, the bitches know how I'm coming.
Subsequent after that.
Cause I pop shit by my lonely.
You need to lose sleep.
Yeah, but it got blood all on me. Yeah, I'm the one, not the two. I turn the 1 to a 2. I'm having racks, yeah, I got that bag, yeah. I put a bag on you. I put a bag on you, too. Inside my Hellcat rat goo. I'm going nuts, I keep me a 2. They like this young nigga loose screw, yeah.
So what up, Day 2? Bro, he said jabroni. He really did say jabroni.
Because these niggas weird, ayy. They done piss me off. It's codeine all up in my urine, ayy. When it come to shooting shit, my jumper be the cash out if I want it, bitch. The money got blood all on it. The money got blood all on it.
Oh my god, this is horrible.
Bad bitch with me on it. Nigga wanna beat me down it.
RP Young Dolph, man. He actually might be serving the community better off where you at. I mean, that's a horrible thing to say, but if this is what you was doing while you was here, you better off as a memory and a sign about what you shouldn't be doing. A sign of it could happen to anybody. To be more on your P's and to leave the hood and leave that mentality. You old ashy knuckles. You in somebody's video, you ain't put lotion on your damn hands. Hold on. He ain't getting away with this. Not now on my watch. If I'm ever your videographer and you show up to my shoot with these hands, you not getting in the video, especially not your hands. Is that the whole? He did that on purpose. This dude probably stiffed him out of a couple of dollars. He's like, I'm gonna embarrass you, ashy knuckle. Nah. Alright, let's end this one.
Fuck everything, he got something to prove. Damn. In the trenches.